Good morning students. How are you all? Today we are going to start new chapter number 8, body movements, session number 1. In this chapter children, we are going to discuss about human body and its movement. Which system is helping us for movement of body, that we are going to discuss. So let's start with our chapter. Introduction. A group of organs which works together to help the body perform life function is called an organ system. Now in human bodies children, there are many systems, right? There are many organs which are operating with different system, right? So the group of organs, now for movement or any other activity inside our body children, we require help of many organs. Many organs take part in the particular activities, right? So when a group of organ which works together, means they come together, they work together and they help to complete some processes to help perform the body function, body life function is called organ system. 3 organ systems help us to move in different part of our body. So there are totally 3 main organ system which helps to move our body. First is muscular system, second is nervous system, and third is skeletal system. In muscular system, all the muscles, see our body is made up of small cells which further we can tell it as muscles, and that muscles is flowing from our brain till the toe, right children? So this is called as a muscular system. It is a thread-like structure which is covering the skeletal system. Then nervous system, the nerves which are flowing in our body, right? The nerves which are connected from brain to our toe is called as nervous system. And next is skeletal system. Skeletal system means the framework of our body, means the bones which are present in our body which helps us to do different movement activities. The human skeleton and skeletal system is made up of 206 bones. In human skeletal system, total number of bones are 206. A baby has 300 bones in all, but as it grows, some of the bones fuse together or join. यानी human beings के अंदर 206 bones होते हैं और वैसे ही small born babies के अंदर 300. Now if in an adult human being it is 206, where does the other bones go? तो जब बेबी बॉर्न होता है तब उसके बोन्स 300 होते हैं, लेकिन जैसे जैसे वो ग्रो होते हैं कुछ बोन्स एक दूसरे के साथ फ्यूज हो जाते हैं, मीन्स दे गेट अटैच्ड टू ईच अदर टू फॉर्म अ सिंगल बोन, राइट? सो इन इन्फेंट द नंबर ऑफ बोन्स आर 300. इन elder we are having 206 bones. Please do remember the figure. This can be asked in your fill in the blanks, true or false or MCQs, right children? Okay, function of skeletal system. We have seen about skeletal system. It is a framework in our body which gives posture to our body. Now why our body is erect, why it can stand straight, right children? That is because of skeletal system present in our body. Right, now we are going to see about function of skeletal system. The bones of our body act as a framework to or give it shape. अब कुछ भी, for example, if you want to hold a paper, so if you are sticking that paper on the cardboard, you are giving it support so the paper can stand straight. Otherwise the paper will fold, right children? Same way our body is also having a framework of bone which is called as skeletal system, which gives support to our body and it gives shape to our body. Without bones, our body would be shapeless. Means we can grow anyhow. Or second thing, we cannot walk also. We cannot move also. So shapeless mass, say like body of snail. Now children, you must have seen snail. In snail there is no bones. So it is a soft jelly-like structure which is creeping on the floor, right? So it cannot stand erect also. The bones also protect delicate internal organs. Now in our body children, there are very important internal organs like heart, kidneys, stomach and many more, livers. So children, if we don't have a framework, what would happen? If we would have fall down or any accident happens, then all the internal organs can be damaged. But because of framework, these organs are protected. For example, heart. Heart is located inside the rib cage on the back side of the lungs. Right children? So heart is a very important organ which help us to pump the blood. Right? The bones also protect delicate. Just now I told you, these bones are acting like a wood pieces. जो लकड़ी होती है वो कैसे सब चीजों को बचाती है, राइट? जैसे कि हमने एक वुडन बॉक्स ले लिया, उसके अंदर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें रख ली, तो वो गिरने पे भी वो चीजें बॉक्स के अंदर सेफ होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्लास. Now if we are taking glass and if that glass we have kept in a wooden cartoon, it will not break easily. Or else if we hold in a bag, it can break like that children. For example, the skull protects the brain which lies inside it. अब एक बहुत ही अच्छा important example है कि जो हमारा brain होता है, it is like a soft jelly. So the skull, the head bone, okay, the skull is protecting the brain inside. हमारा जो brain है, ये जो हमारा body का जो part है head का, it is very stiff. But below that stiff bone, we are having our brain. The third function of the bone is to help us move. Bones का दूसरा third function, important function क्या है कि वो हमें चलने में मदद करता है. Now if these bones were not attached to each other or they were not having any flexibility, would we able to walk? No. So this is the reason the bone help us to move from one place to other. It is the movement of bones that help us to bend, run, walk, so on. अब ये बोन की वजह से हम बॉडी का मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं, हम बेंड कर सकते हैं, हम रन कर सकते हैं एंड बहुत सारी चीजें हम कर सकते हैं. We can cross our legs, we can swim, we can float, we can drive. So many things children we can do just because of our skeletal system present in our body. If we would have been like snail, can we do all different activities? No. Whole day we have to, whole life we have to sit in one place only. Right children? So today we have discussed about organ system. In that we have discussed about three systems. One is muscular, second is nervous, and in this chapter we are going to learn main about skeletal system. And then we have discussed function of skeletal system. In next session children, we will discuss about different parts, different organs of skeletal